Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2024, our system has categorized VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.02. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations with an increase of 0.5%. This results in an average return of 171,000% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise may be forthcoming. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 2.76% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.118% to 9.75%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a 31% change over the coming year, with a potential return between 27.22% and 41.30%. This would result in a price range of $623.45 to $692.45 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline: VOO ETF price up 0.051% on Monday. The VOO ETF price gained 0.051% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, rising from $489.82 to $490.07. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.89%, with a low of $487.98 and a high of $492.34. The price has seen ups and downs over this period, and there has been a loss of 2.12% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.74 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $519.40, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 5.65%, or $29.33, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent analysis surrounding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known by its ticker VOO, highlights a strategic opportunity amid a volatile market landscape. On the 12th of August, market observers stressed the importance of index ETFs like VOO as a way for investors to lower risk exposure while markets grapple with ongoing sell-offs. This sentiment follows a week where the S&P 500 recorded significant fluctuations, including one of its worst daily performances since the year 2022. The index recently closed with only a slight dip of 0.04%. Investors are increasingly turning to a set-it-and-forget-it approach, especially during turbulent times marked by geopolitical uncertainties and changes in central bank policies. Despite the recent volatility, where the S&P 500 remains about 8.5% below its all-time high, Experts believe this creates a fertile ground for smart investment moves. With U.S. equity ETFs, including VOO, pulling in $9 billion in inflows last week alone, there's a clear trend of capital seeking the stability these funds offer. The ongoing volatility can create uncertainty in the short term, which may push stock prices down. However, for long-term investors, this period could actualize beneficial entry points, enhancing the potential for growth as markets recover. Overall, VOO remains a compelling option for those looking to build diversified portfolios during this turbulent environment. The following signals have been identified for VOO. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The VOO ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $501.66. Conversely, if the ETF falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $484.17. A break above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and so far it has risen by 3.13%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot has been established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 178 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $489.91, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically trades at a solid volume, and with minimal daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $4.36, which is an increase of 0.89% between its high and low. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.74%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $498.58. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may present a good opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $489.91. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, suggesting a possible rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $462.34, reflecting a decline of 5.66%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 19 days ago. Is the VOO ETF a good investment option? While VOO displays several positive indicators, we do not consider these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, which means either maintaining your current position or accumulating more while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of August, we anticipate that VOO will open at an increase of 6 cents, starting the trading session at $490.13. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is crucial not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.